Firstly, check the product list. The first step, remove the original steering wheel. Remove the bottom gasket. The second step, install mounting plate. Insert it into the steering gear extension rod. Secure it tightly with M10 screws. The third step, install gear sleeve. Put it into the extension rod of the steering gear and aim at the keyway. Insert the gasket and nut, and manually tighten them. Use 2 external hex wrenches respectively, one to fix the gear sleeve to prevent rotation, and another one to tighten the nut. The fourth step, install main body. Put the wheel pallet into the mounting plate. Pay attention to the connecting cable alignment of the whole of the plate. Secure the main body tightly using M5 and M4 screws. Installation is complete.